welcome to Secrets Wild Orchid. Now guys, I'm a little bit sad because I actually tried booking the preferred club. However, they did not have availability, and I was just hoping that when I got to the hotel they'd be able to upgrade me. So I just booked a regular room. Now they were able to upgrade me a little bit, but they still did not have availability for the preferred suite. But what they did was actually give me an upgrade, so I got a better room, and they also gave me full access to preferred club just without the room. So what I'm actually going to be showing you is just the standard junior suite here at Secrets Wild Orchid. We're at room 2237, and this is our room key right here.
I'm following your lead, I'm following this feeling. I'm conquering this fear, I'm busting through the ceiling.
As we enter, over to my left here we have our secret box, and they've put items for a minibar in here. But say for example we order room service, this is where they're going to put the food or drinks or whatever we order, and we just retrieve it here, so we don't necessarily have to come in contact with the staff if we don't want to. I think that's a good strategy in COVID time. So right next to that we have our closet, and I've already put everything in, all equipment. So you get a steam iron, you get a blow dryer, you get a safe, and you have storage areas below. Let's take a look at the other side. We have some hangers. We have a little space for our suitcase. We have an umbrella. Very nice. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. We have our whirlpool tub right here. Very, very nice. LED mirror, which I love. We have our double sink. Nice bath mat. We have a little scale, and we get to our amenities. Alright, so over on this side we have our toilet area right here. Alright, and right next to it we have our shower. Now these are separate rooms, as you can see, so a lot of privacy, all right. Shower is not very big, but enough space, and we also got full-sized items. Love that. I think that's shampoo and shower gel, I'm not sure. So we have two entrances to the bathroom. We can enter from this open space right here, or we have another entrance right there, which is awesome. Let's take a look at the rest of the room. So I always love a full body mirror. Okay. Here we have our welcome drinks. We have a good sized television. We have a lot of storage areas here. Let's take a look at what's inside here. Okay. Few glasses, nothing much, and this is empty because, as I showed you guys, our stuff is actually in the secret box. We have not yet put them in. And here we have a little coffee maker, ice bucket, some teacups, etc. We have a nice king size bed. We have a tablet right next to that. So from our tablet we have information about the resort, about the services offered. We can also order room service straight from our tablet and all that jazz. Really love it. And the fact, guys, that it's in a plastic means it was cleaned and sealed, which is awesome. So we have a sitting area here. We have a nice little coffee table, workstation. I've already put my laptop down, so you know I'm definitely going to be getting some work done. It also has a mirror, you know, that you can probably transform into your own little vanity station if you're a diva. All right, now let's take a look at the view. As I said, we're on the 2nd floor, so it's not the best view, but it's okay. So we have a nice balcony with this that we can hang our clothes out to dry, swimsuits, towels, all that jazz. We have a little sitting area here, 2 chairs and a table. Now let's take a look at the view. So it's like a partial resort view, partial ocean view. I mean, it's not the best, guys, but it's okay. It's a nice enough view. So I absolutely love this balcony. It's very spacious, as you can see. Very spacious. Love that. So now let's take a look at the room from the opposite angle.